Hey course creators, it's time to amplify your genius. Welcome to Course Creation Station, where we talk about creatively sharing your expertise and designing the most awesome learning experiences. I'm Gwen Tanner, career course creator, and today I have a quick tip for you as you're planning and creating your course. You might be worried that your course won't stand out from other courses on your topic, or you could be thinking that your course is too new. There are other course creators that have been teaching your topic for years. But the tip I want to offer you is to be deliberate in how you make yourself stand out. Take some time to do your research on other courses that are similar to yours. Find out if there are any gaps that those other courses are missing that you can fill. If you can't find content gaps, then look at how the other courses are being delivered. If they're all in person, you can stand out by delivering yours online, and that offers flexibility to people with busy schedules. Or if those courses are all online, maybe you can stand out by offering local workshops for that special touch that only can be experienced in person. If the other courses are only video-based, then perhaps you can offer more interactivity and use a different course structure. One of my most favorite courses is delivered as a year-long course with multiple instructors, and each year the course is different. This course is unique because, one, it's always changing. There's lots of interesting projects to work on. And two, the benefit of learning from multiple teachers is that each teacher has their own unique style. And that type of course structure is not easily replicated. This course draws a few thousand people each year, and many people take this course again and again because it's just so dynamic in its structure. A change in structure can be a big plus for your course, so don't worry if you feel your course can't stand out. Just take some time to look at what courses are out there, even register or join courses that seem similar to yours, and then figure out what you can do to level up your course for an amazing student experience. If you found this tip helpful or need more ideas for how you can make your course stand out, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to visit CourseCreationStation.com to view today's show notes and subscribe.